Hello, Vance. People are looking for that perfect Florida home. They want a brand new home. That is our Florida real estate advantage. We offer options for every lifestyle and every budget, from villas in the high 200s to stunning oceanfront homes in the $3 to $5 million range.
That's right, Ben. Whether you're interested in a brand new cozy villa or a brand new luxurious golf course home or a breathtaking oceanfront property, we have it all. And the best part, the cost of ownership is surprisingly low. Low home insurance, energy efficient appliances, smart air conditioning systems that keep utility costs down.
So you're going to get the lifestyle you want, whether it be golf, ocean views, or just relaxing, and you're going to save big time on expenses.
Exactly. With the Florida Real Estate Advantage, your dream home is within reach, beautiful, affordable, and designed for easy living.
Call me, Ben Brick, at 772-713-9455 or visit us online at FloridaEastCoastLuxuryHomes.com and start living the Florida lifestyle you deserve today.
Or call Vance and Vero, 772-913-3426, or please go to the Apple Store and download our app, Vero, Premier Properties.
We are proud to be part of Coldwell Banker Global Luxury with local reach and reach in 48 different nations. Thank you.